Richmond will put new business license tax structure on the ballot. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below. Richmond city leaders will ask voters to approve changes in the way businesses are taxed, in an effort to boost city revenue. The City Council on Wednesday voted to put a measure on the November ballot asking voters to allow the city to tax businesses based on their gross receipts instead of the number of employees. Currently, businesses pay a flat annual license tax of $234.10 plus $46.80 per employee up to 25 employees and $40.10 for each additional employee. That would change if voters in November approve the proposed tax structure, under which businesses would have to pay a percentage of their gross receipts earned in Richmond, with the amount depending on the nature of their business and at a rate assigned per industry. In the proposed model, most businesses would pay between 0.6% and 68%. Grocers, for example, would pay 0.6% if they make up to $1 million in sales for the year, 1% if they make between $1 million and $2.5 million, and tiered up to 2% if they have gross receipts of $50 million or more annually in the city. A few industries would exceed the typical rate structure, including firearms ammunitions, which would be taxed at a rate of 2.4%, and cannabis, which would continue to be taxed at a rate of 5%. The rate structure would bring in an estimated $6.2 million in total revenue, $3.2 in new revenue over the current structure. While city staff had recommended taxing residential rental gross receipts at a flat rate of 1% with a 50% discount for rent control properties, Council member Melvin Willis proposed using Berkeley's model of taxing rentals at rates of 1.081% for the first 4 units an owner has and 2.88% for the 5th or more. He also proposed giving property owners with 4 or fewer units a chance to credit the fees they pay to the rent board to the tax, thus not requiring them to pay both the full rent board fees and the business tax. A majority of the council approved his motion. With council member Richmond city leaders will ask voters to approve changes in the way businesses are taxed. In an effort to boost city revenue, the City Council on Wednesday voted to put a measure on the November ballot asking voters to allow the city to tax businesses based on their gross receipts instead of the number of employees. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below.